You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this fascinating name, which is a name of Scottish and French origin, believe it or not, and there's an explanation for this. We're going to learn how to pronounce it. Now, if it was French, it would be Frazier, okay? It comes from the French word fraisier, which comes from strawberry. Strawberry field is the meaning of the name from Scottish Gaelic. Frazier is generally how it's pronounced, especially in the US. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.